Do you want to lose weight? Are you tired of not losing weight? As well as the keto diet aiding weight loss, it is also associated with other health benefits. The ketogenic diet consists of an eating pattern that's high in fat, moderate in protein and low in carbohydrates. It's typically rich in foods like eggs, meats, nuts, butters, cheeses, seeds, oils and few low-carb green vegetables. The ketogenic diet has been around for 90 years. It was first developed to treat patients with epilepsy, who responded well to the way it mimics a fasting state, while still allowing patients to eat and obtain nutrients. The keto diet is highly restrictive, though, cutting out grains and certain fruits and veggies in addition to sugar. The keto diet is an ultra-low-carb diet. This means you'll be eating significantly fewer carbohydrates than the average person, even fewer than a person following a classic low-carb diet. Weight loss is very common with the keto diet, however, the first few pounds you drop will be water weight, water that your body would normally store when you eat carbs. What's happening is just the opposite of what happens to marathon runners when they carb load. During keto, as you reduce carb intake, your body dumps its glycogen stores in favor of burning fat. You'll see the number on the scale go down, which is exciting, but at this point you're just dropping water weight, not fat. What else changes? Sugar cravings become non-existent after the first few months. Hunger is suppressed on the keto diet. Fat is satiating, so you may find yourself feeling not very hungry some days when you're on the keto diet. Ketogenic diets may even have benefits against diabetes, cancer, epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Research also suggests the keto diet may deliver health benefits beyond weight loss, such as improved blood sugar levels, insulin sensitivity, and cholesterol numbers. It may help promote weight loss, improve mental focus, ease acne, reduce the progression of some types of cancer, reverse insulin resistance, decrease symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, and reduce inflammation more generally. When the keto diet is implemented poorly, partially, for too long, or without medical supervision, it can set the stage for nutrient deficiencies, inadequate protein, high cholesterol, and insufficient fiber to maintain a healthy microbiome and efficient digestion. Most people on a new diet have no plan. They learn what to eat, and not to eat. They try new recipes. But they don't have a daily plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's too easy to fall for peer pressure, to be unprepared, and to make bad decisions. So why do it? Simply follow this plan and you will succeed. http://bit.ly/ketoli